YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Bearman17 coming to y'all with a video today, man. I'm gonna just crack the windows ever so slightly. Now look, man, I'm recording this video, right? I'm doing this because I love y'all here. I'm recording this video, and I'm using the GoPro. I haven't used the GoPro in a few weeks. I don't know where my head mount went for my cell phone. I cannot find it. I haven't seen it in a few days. But if you've been keeping up with my channel, you know I just got those carbon exhaust performance mufflers installed on my car. You also know I got that resonator delete, so we finna see what we could get into today. I got 113 miles. I'm probably not gonna ride out all my gas, but we gonna see what we could get into today, man. So yeah, without further ado, shit kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. It's pretty damn crazy. I am not gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, we just out cruising, man. We out cruising. Probably not gonna burn no tread, burn no rubber. But I mean, really, I'm trying to think what should I title this video, because I mean, you know, sometimes I go on the notes, type in the title, whatever. Sometimes I just turn the camera on and go straight off the dome. But I'm gonna say, man, earlier today, man, as I'm driving home from work, man, fellow patron on the road, man, motherfucker going, this lady, it was a chick. She flicked me off, man. She flicked me off. And like, really, that was like one of the most, I'm gonna let the window up. That was probably like one of the most forced fuck yous that I done ever seen in my life, bro. Like, honestly, I don't know why she did that. I'm riding behind her, right? I'm riding behind her. She going like 45. The speed limit's like 55. So I mean, I went around her ass. I cranked it up to like 60. And as I'm driving past her, bro, or whatever, I mean, like, I get in front of her, I'm about to bust a left turn, whatever, get in my left turning lane, whatever. As she's riding by, I feel like I see like a glimpse of a fucking finger, bro. I feel like I see the glimpse of a fucking finger. That shit, she flicking me off, bro. I'm like, is this bitch really, she really flipping me off, bro? But as I drive up or whatever, I'm going to make my left turn because her dumb ass behind the red light. I'm going to make my left turn, bro, and she's flicking me off, bro. But you know what? What's crazy about it is, like, she's flicking me off, but she really wasn't flicking me off. She really flicking everybody off, because like anybody that drove by would have seen her dumb ass flicking somebody off. They probably would have thought it was them shit. But I mean, I wish I could show y'all how silly she looked, but I can't. But y'all could just imagine it. I look to my right, I see a fat ass finger just sticking up. I'm like, damn, that must, I don't know why she did that. Like, I wasn't on her butt before I got over. Whenever I got over, I mean, it didn't affect her. We weren't even going to the same spot. Like I said, I was turning left, she going straight. She stuck at the red light, I'm busting my left. Fuck you talking about? But I mean, I don't know. Maybe she had a bad day at work, whatever. Maybe she mad, she whipping a Bronco. Her car wasn't even, it wasn't no fucking beater. But I mean, I don't know, man. You never know. I mean, motherfuckers be on demon time, like, I mean, I don't know. You never know how somebody day going, you know what I'm saying? But again, like, for her, bro, to do that, like, it was unnecessary. But you know, sometimes you just gotta be the bigger person, bro. Sometimes you just gotta be the bigger person, you know what I'm saying? That was a day like today, you gotta be the bigger person. But yeah, man, we're just out cruising. This is what it's like to daily drive a Dodge Charger RT. This is what it's like, man. You get flicked off by not even middle age, but just like older women, for whatever reason, don't know why. They'll flick you off, they'll stare you down. You do get a lot of compliments. It's got its pros and cons, you know? Mostly pros, honestly. Like, I mean, really, that lady, I ain't even tripping. I really, like, she's just a piece of content. That's all she is. I'm done. I'm on to the next now. Shit. Ain't nobody worried about her fat finger ass. Like, the fuck. But nah, it's getting hot, so I'm gonna crank this AC up. It's hot as hell. Y'all see it's 91 degrees right there. But yeah. Let's see what my bro talking about. Let's see what the play. Let's see what the play.